Next up, Joseph Gordon Levitt for the actor's latest role. He's stepping into the shoes of Uber founder and former CEO Travis Kalanick. And in the first look here on Showtime's new series, it's called Super Pumped, The Battle for Uber. Gordon Levitt stars on screen alongside award-winning actors Uma Thurman as Ariana Huffington and Kyle Chandler as venture capitalist Bill Gurley. Here's a peek of that.
And contrary to what you might have read, I am not a monster.
The notorious bad boy of tech.
You willing to listen to wise counsel? I will always listen, but I will never take orders.
Is this legal?
The best thing about Travis is that he is willing to run through walls to win. Damn! The worst thing about him is he thinks everything is a wall.
I'll watch anything with Kyle Chandler.
Yeah,
anything.
absolutely. Yeah.
From like Friday Night Lights.
Joseph Gordon Levitt.
Anything. I don't care what it is.
Come on.
Yeah, it's fine. It's about trees growing. Kyle Chandler's in it. I'm in.
That's it.
It's in line. Super Pump is the name of that one. It premieres on February 27th over on Showtime.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.